Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Jalan Tenaga. We are seeing a 5-room corner with 127 square meter at block 655. Come, let's take a look at the unit. A few minutes walk to Kaki Bukit MRT station. A children playground, an open basketball court, and a community garden are nearby. A preschool and a mini-mart is beneath the block. Block 655 comprises of 72 units of 4-room flats and 18 units of 5-room flats. The house is situated at the end of the corridor and is a corner unit. As you enter, you will be greeted by a spacious living space with the lease starting in 1996. The flat comprises 3 bedrooms and a study. The owner has renovated the house and installed the flooring with vinyl tiles. The house is located within 1 km of Maha Bodhi school. The master bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom. Bedroom 2 is able to fit 2 single beds. Bedroom 3 can fit a queen-size bed and has a built-in wardrobe. With a squarish design, the kitchen provides an efficient workspace, comes with a yard where you can do your laundry, and a common bath provided. If a 4th bedroom is not required, with 3 bedrooms already meeting your family needs, the living area can be expanded further. You can consider removing the study room to enhance the overall living space. And its squarish layout allows easy decoration and renovation according to your family lifestyle needs. So, if you would like to experience living in Kaki Bukit, please give me a call for a viewing today. I will see you in the next video.